Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 103. We are on Unit 10. So this is Lesson 2, Reading Comprehension. Activity 1, read the play script on pupils' book, pages 122 until 123. Number the events of the robbery in order. So given example number 1, E. Someone stole a dinosaur egg from the museum. So this is number 1. And then number 2. So number 2 we have G here. Inspector Fox arrived at the museum to ask people questions. And then number 3 we have A. Pat Plum said he was drawing hieroglyphics. So number 3 is A. And then number 4 you have D. Lucy Specs showed the inspector a receipt from the shop. And number 5 we have F. Miss Pepper said she went to look for Tim Tall. So number 5 is F. Number 6 we have B. Sue Snaps said she talked to the museum guard. So 6B. Number 7 we have H. Dr. Green said he was doing research on dinosaur eggs. So number 7, H. And the final one we have C. The inspector solved the crime and took Sue's snaps away. So next we take a look at activity 2. Write the correct names. More than one answer is possible. So we have 6 names here. So who is interested in dinosaur eggs? So we have 2 persons here. So one is Pat Plum. And then we separate it by comma. We have Dr. Green. And next, who was not in one of the museum rooms at 5:10 p.m. So number 2, we have only one person, Lucy. So Lucy Specs. And number 3, who is interested in old paintings? So number 3 we have Sue Snaps. And number 4, who didn't leave the museum on time? So we have 2 persons here. One is Tim Tall. Another one we have Miss Pepper. Number 5, who can't go home at the end of the story? So we have Sue Snaps. Okay, next we go to the grammar section here, working with words. So maybe I maximize it a bit. So add ment to the verbs to make nouns. So number 1, state. So we have statement. And then equipped. Number 2, equipment. Move. We have movement. Number 4, arrange. We have arrangement. And number 5, agree. We have agreement. And nouns, we have announcement. And then excite, we have excitement. And the final one, pay, we have payment. And then activity 4, complete the sentences with the words from activity 3. Number 1, he gave a, so this is a payment. Of £10,000 for the painting. Number 2, I use a lot of, so equipment. In my science experiment. Number 3, we made Anne to meet at 5 o'clock. So this is arrangement. Number 4, I've broken my leg so every little movement hurts. Movement. Number 5, there was an, so announcement. So watch out for the spelling. Announcement, to say the trains were delayed. Number 6, there was a lot of excitement. When their team won the match. So that's it for this page. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 103. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.